Good day, everyone. My name is Salgin Dumapa. Criminal investigation can be considered both an art and a science. It is not limited to one side alone, because investigators need both scientific accuracy and human creativity in order to discover the truth. It is a science because it follows a scientific process and relies on evidence, observation, and the technology. Investigators do not simply guess or rely on opinion. They use the scientific method when collecting, preserving, and examining evidence. Fingerprint comparison, DNA profiling, and ballistic testing are examples of scientific procedure. These techniques are based on research, proved methods, and laboratory studies. Court today record a strong and reliable evidence, which means an investigation that ignores science will not stand in trial, according to O'Hara and O'Hara's Fundamental of Criminal Investigation. The success of any case greatly depends on scientific handling of physical evidence. But criminal investigation, it is also an art. Even with advanced forensic tools, investigators must rely on human skills, intuition, and creativity. For example, interviewing a witness or suspect is not just about following a step-by-step procedure. It requires building trust, observation body, language, and asking questions in a way why they encourage people to talk. These skills are shaped by experience and cannot be measured by a science alone. The art of investigation allows the investigator to see connection, interpret behaviors, and form a clearer picture of what really happened. A good explanation can be seen in many real-life cases. Science may identify the suspect through DNA evidence, but it's the art of integration and witnesses interviews that explain the motive, the sequence of events, and the hidden details without the art. Science given only the raw data. Without the science, art becomes exploration. But when both are combined, the investigation becomes stronger, clearer, and more convincing. Criminal investigation is about an art and a science. Science provides accuracy, credibility, and objectivity. Arts provides human judgment, flexibility, and insight together. They balance each other and make criminal investigation more effective in service justice system. Thank you.